If you have pain going down the leg and you've been doing the pigeon stretch or the knee to chest stretch to loosen it up, you might be making your sciatica worse. One of the biggest lies in the fitness world is that if it's tight, you stretch it. But your sciatic nerve isn't a muscle. It's more like a delicate piece of silk. If you pull on a nerve that is already inflamed or pinched, you're making it worse. In this video, I'm going to show you why your recovery routine is your biggest mistake. I've seen lots of patients in the clinic who have tried doing stretches that they found on Google or now AI. They spend 30 minutes on the floor stretching their body, pulling themselves up like a pretzel. And I can see the frustration in their eyes when they tell me that they feel better for a few minutes and then the pain comes back again. They start to think that they're not going to get any better. But the reality is they're using a muscle solution for a nerve problem. Muscles love to be stretched. They have high blood flow and elasticity. But nerves are different though. Nerves are designed to slide and glide, not elongated. And when a nerve is already compressed on your lower back or on the piriformis, it is already under tension. When you do a piriformis stretch or a gluteal stretch, you're adding 10 to 15% more tension to a nerve that is already screaming to relax. Think of it like you're trying to fix a fraying cable by pulling it even tighter. It's not going to end up well. So you might be wondering, why does it feel good when you're stretching it? Now that is called sensory gating. When you're stretching hard, you're creating a new sensation that is temporarily drowning out the pain signal that you were feeling before. The key word there is it's temporary. It's a distraction more than a cure. When you stop and the sensation fades, that nerve, which is now even more irritated, is going to come back with a vengeance. You're going to feel even sharper pain. This is why you feel stuck in a cycle of stretch and pain. The best way to address is don't stretch the nerve, slack the nerve. This means that you put your joints in a position where you shorten the path of the nerve. This will allow the blood flow to return. Imagine a kink garden hose. You don't fix that by pulling on the ends. You find the kink and give it some slack so water can flow again. This is how we treat sciatica. If you find value in this video so far, please consider subscribing to our channel so we can continue creating videos like this. I had a patient who couldn't sit through a 20-minute dinner. He was doing his stretching 3 times a day as was told by his physical therapist. I asked him to stop stretching for 48 hours and just do the slacking positions I taught him. By the second day, he was able to sit through an entire movie. We didn't add a single stretch. We just stopped picking on the scab. Does your pain feel better for a few minutes after stretching and then it comes back again? That is a classic sign of a nerve irritation. Now to fix this, we have to first find out where the pinch is coming from. Is it your back or your hip? Watch this next video to know.